Welcome, seeker of color clarity. Sit and let the fates decide your color destiny.
I have brought you this color.
Ah, a peaceful soul. You seek analogous colors, perfectly in sync, next to each other on the color wheel. Together, these hues create a quilt that whispers serenity.
This is exactly what I need. Calm and cohesive.
Your work will flow like water. Calm, serene, analogous palettes are perfect for unity, and your quilt will evoke perfect harmony.
That's exactly the quilt I wanted.
Complementary for drama. Analogous for harmony. Bold color for adventure. The color wheel holds your quilt's destiny. Join us for the Quilter's Color Mixer and unlock your palette's full potential.
Reserve your spot today. Your quilt's destiny awaits.